Yo guys, how's it going? AKMoto here. We are back with yet another project video for my YZ125. Today we'll be shining up this exhaust and making it look absolutely sick. We're also going to be coloring up the welds just to give it a unique look. So first we'll start off by removing a number plate to give us access to the silencer bolt. Take a really good look at this exhaust now because it is going to look totally different in a matter of minutes. Here on the cylinder, as well as a few other spots, you can see a little bit of premix, just purely from exhaust leak. That's just because the exhaust wasn't sealing very well against the cylinder, and we are going to be fixing that today as well. The whole time I will be wearing a respirator, goggles, gloves, and a hoodie to protect my skin, and I'd recommend if you're going to be doing any type of bench grinding, you do that too. We're also going to be using a fan, just to blow away any dust particles out of the air, and I'm going to be leaving my garage door open just to make sure we have plenty of ventilation. Alright guys, at first I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit weird shining up the exhaust on the bench grinder just because the exhaust is at a weird angle and I do not have unlimited room to work. But hey, you know what? We got around that and got the job done and it looks sick. And there's the finished product. It looks absolutely amazing, so shiny. I wish it could stay like this forever, but unfortunately it won't. Maybe in a year or so we're gonna have to go through and shine it again. Anyhow, it looks super sick, and tell me what you guys think of just the raw metal look without any type of coloring on the welds. I think it looks pretty sweet. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Alright guys, time to color up the exhaust welds. I'm going to be using a MAP gas torch. You can use propane, but MAP gas does burn a few degrees hotter. Make sure you are very careful around an open flame and keep a fire extinguisher nearby, which I did. You can't see, but I did just out of the frame. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and clean off any residue off of the pipe here with a little bit of contact cleaner and a shop towel or just a fancy paper towel. We're going to be installing these fresh O-rings that I had lying around just to make sure we get the best seal that we can. Oh yeah, and I think these are FMF O-rings, don't tell Pro Circuit. Alright guys, now we're going to use a little bit of engine oil and coat the exhaust. The purpose of this is to keep the exhaust from rusting now and in the future. I find that engine oil works the best when it comes to rust prevention and kind of makes water bead off of it when the oil is applied to the exhaust. And I did go a little bit heavy on the oil just because this was the first time coating it in oil and I wanted to make sure I get all the little spots. Alright guys, we're getting this mounted up and this looks sick already on the bike. I'm super happy with how the welds and the whole thing turned out. Again, tell me what you guys think in the comments about this whole pipe so far. Alright, now we're going to get some of the brackets in place so we can bolt this pipe up. Alright guys, now we're going to be getting a little bit of red RTV gasket maker and putting it on the seals of this exhaust. I did this between the pipe and the cylinder as well as the pipe and the silencer. I was having sealing issues before, so this should clear those all up. Also, in theory, this should give us a slight performance gain, just because of the better seal and we won't have any leaks anywhere. Alright guys, now we'll tighten all these bolts, get everything where it needs to be, mount up our little side panel, and see how this thing looks. Alright guys, this exhaust turned out absolutely amazing. The blue in the welds, the sweet fresh metal color, it looks absolutely amazing guys. I feel like I've said this a million times this video, but tell me what you guys think in the comments. I want to hear what you guys think of the exhaust. Do you think I should have left it with a bare metal finish? Should I have maybe gone with some more color on the welds, a little less color on the welds? Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. I will read them all. Alright guys, I am super stoked on how this exhaust turned out. I gotta go stare at my bike. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.